Is your Boost mobile data not working? This is often due to APN misconfigurations, network issues, or device settings. First, ensure your access point name, APN settings are correctly configured. For Boost Mobile, the APN should be set to boost.apn. You can typically find this under your device's settings in the mobile network section. Next, consider whether you're experiencing LTE or 5G problems. LTE provides reliable data but slower speeds, while 5G offers faster speeds but requires compatible devices and strong signals. Switch between network modes to see if one is more stable in your area. Also, restart your device, check for software updates, and ensure airplane mode is toggled off. If problems persist, Boost Mobile's app now has an AI-driven troubleshooter to automate diagnostics. These steps will resolve the majority of the issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Boost Mobile data issues, try these advanced steps. First, reset your network settings to default to clear any misconfigurations. Next, use a speed test app to check your actual download speeds and latency. This helps identify if the issue is with your connection or the network. Be aware of data throttling on unlimited plans and check for data caps in your area, as these can limit your speeds during peak times. For rural users, signal boosters can significantly improve connectivity by amplifying weak signals. If none of these steps work, contact Boost Mobile support for personalized assistance. Looking ahead, Boost Mobile is investing heavily in 5G technology to improve data reliability. Edge computing investments will reduce latency to sub-10 milliseconds by 2026, enabling faster data processing. Hybrid LTE 5G modes will become standard for seamless connectivity, and keeping your device software updated prevents firmware bugs from causing data issues. By understanding these advanced troubleshooting steps and future developments, you can effectively resolve and prevent Boost Mobile data connectivity problems.